The second topic is important topic 5 marks question. The phases of Indian national movement. After the birth of Indian national movement, there are so many struggle in the Indian nation. So here the Indian national movement will be started in 1857 to 1947. 1857 to 1947. There are so many struggle in our Indian country. So our political national leaders was make the three phases of the Indian national. That is belongs to first one is moderate, second one extremist, third one is Gandhian. So first one is moderate phase. The moderate phase was establishment in 1885 to 1905. In the main leaders was belongs to Surendranath Banerjee, Umesh Chandra Banerjee. They make the main role in this phase. So the most leaders was have faith in the rule of the Britishers. They don't make any against programs belongs to Britishers. They have full faith of the administration of the Britishers. So our Indian national leaders was having Britishers only prayer, petition and protect because they have faith in the administration. So they have the name of the political beggars of the Indian national leaders. So some leaders was agree with second way. So some leaders was make the against of the moderate movement. So second phase was establishment by the extremist movement in the 1906 to 1919. Especially this movement was called by the militant national movement because there are so many struggle in this movement. Especially this was come to become a accept some likes we have Hindu realization, Lord Curzon, cruel rule and divide of the Bengal policy. So Lal Bal Pal, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bala Gangadhar Tilak and Bipin Chandra Pal was make the main role in the extremist phase. They have pure against of the British rule. Here Bala Gangadhar Tilak was give slogan to the Indians belongs to our right. It means Swaraj is my birthright. I shall have it. It means every human being must be have a Indian national home. Our here extremists somehow provisions. First of all, they make the boycott the British goods and the government offices and titles. Second one is encouraging native education. It means we against of the British education, we establishment our native education. Next, third one is using nation goods and industries. It means we establishment of our goods. Second means all of the making the functions. It means we celebrate the functions and we celebrate our festivals into all are equal. So after this phase, the India was have more struggle. There is no non-violence. So here Gandhiji was want to make a peaceful of the India. So third phase belongs to Gandhian phase 1920 to 1947. Here Gandhiji especially have three principles: truth, non-violence and satyagraha. He don't make fight to the Britishers. He make the truth and satyagraha. So he want to make the three special wars belongs to against of the Britishers. First one is 1920 to 22 non-cooperation movement. It was made against of the 1990 Jallianwala Bagh incidents. After then he made the one powerful movement belongs to 1930-34 civil disobedience movement. It means we are against. After then he make the Quit India movement. It is the most important movement of the Indian national movement. In Quit India movement, Gandhiji gives slogan to the Indian citizen: do or die. So here Gandhiji was especially make the Swadeshi goods. It means we boycott the British goods and we make 20 charakas belongs to unemployment to make our goods. So now how can last finally 1947 we make the independence to India. So this is most important belongs to second year 5 marks question.